Hey guys, today we're going to be playing some Mario Maker, but we're not going to be playing, crap, we're not going to actually be playing levels. I mean, we might, if we have time. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to make the tank from the Dannyb rejected updates video. So, first you're going to need the semi-solids. And then you're going to place 4 ice blocks to be the windows. Make this semi-solid longer. Then make sure this one is 1 block bigger than these two, than this one or whatever. Okay, next we're going to need to get some tracks. I mean conveyor belts, not tracks. Don't get tracks. Okay, now we're going to need hard blocks, like a bunch. 1 into there. And 3 there. Make sure they're all going right. And I did this wrong. Ignore the background noise. If you can hear it, that is. My parents are just nuts. Crap. Okay. So this is what we have. We have these semi-solids and these tracks. And these bottom ones have to be facing left. It depends on which way you're making the tank face. So it's gonna be like, it's going like this way. So that's what it's gonna be looking like. Then we're gonna put this here. Then you're gonna wanna put a track here. Make sure they're this way, and don't make them the double speed tracks. Oh yeah, and we're going to be doing a sequel to this video, probably for like other game modes. So not really a sequel, but whatever. Okay. So the last thing you'll need, well, the second to last thing, you'll need this cannon. So just, I have to show how what it looks like in play. And last but not least, this isn't in the Dannyb, but if you want, you can add a flag here to show. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks unnatural because the saws are spinning a different way. But yeah, it's functional. Okay, time for the next thing we're gonna make, which will be the helicopter from his rejected updates video 19. So we're just gonna start with a bridge. Crap, I forgot how long the hard block thing was. I know it was that tall, but I don't know how long it is. I'm just gonna take a wild guess. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. Okay. Then I don't think you're supposed to do this in the castle theme, but I'm lazy, so we're gonna, because the semi-solid isn't supposed to be this, so then you add this. And as you saw in his thumbnail, you're going to need a door. But we'll work on the interior later in the video. Wait, we don't really, yeah, that's kind of like the outside of it, really. But since he added like these mushroom platforms on the side, I don't think you can turn them around. But if you can, I will make another part of this telling that you can actually turn them around. But if you knew that, you probably wouldn't need this video. But okay, so since you can't do it sideways, you have two options. The first one is that you could put a track here. Wait, no. And then you get a track here. And I didn't mean to do that. You put the grinder here. And you put the track here, so the grinder does not move. But it kind of looks a little, well, flimsy. So your second option. And you can use almost any block. Well, almost. Don't go in adding POW blocks. I mean, you can, but they'll fall, I think. I think note blocks are functional, but I'll go with hard blocks. It looks awkward, but it's functional. Wait, okay. We're gonna put it like this. And that is the helicopter. But again, I'm going to add more. So next we need two tracks. Make sure they're vertical. And make the bottom side open. Put one here. And I didn't need to do that. And put one here. If you guys are wondering what I'm making, it's like, you know, like the little thing on the bottom that helps it land. I don't know what it's called. I don't know if I should use the bridge. And that is way too low. Wait, no, it's because I don't have this open. I watch a lot of makers do this, and this is not functional. Okay, I don't know which block to add. I mean, maybe it could be in the gizmos. Yeah, okay, forget this. Okay, this isn't actually scripted. I actually did not know that. Okay, so the next thing you can do, you can make it a rescue helicopter. And you can put as many claws as you want. And I thought I could put 3. So you could put one here and one here. And it could be like you could put something on it. Or you're supposed to like do this so it looks cooler. And I did not mean to do that. Wow, that sounds like a troll, to be honest. So there you have the tank and the helicopter, and we will be doing this in other game modes. I'm not sure about 3D World. The tank we can't do in 3D World, because if you saw, I mean, we might be able to do it, because he put in a realistic tank. But yeah. Okay, guys. This video is 10 minutes long. Okay, I'm not gonna save this. I'm gonna reset it. I was gonna do a story mode, but we'll save that for later. Okay. I guess that's the end of the video. See ya. Oh, and subscribe. Remember, I have community posts now, so please check those out.